Listen and practice speaking skills. Hi there. Mind if I sit here?
Oh, hey. Not at all, please, take a seat.
Thanks. So, what brings you to the park today?
Just needed some fresh air, you know. It's been a hectic week.
Tell me about it. I've been feeling the same way. Sometimes you just need a break from it all.
Exactly. So, any exciting plans for the rest of the day?
Not really. Probably just going to wander around the park, maybe read a book.
Sounds relaxing. I was thinking of doing the same thing. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. The more, the merrier.
So, what book are you reading?
It's called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Have you heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard great things about it. What do you think so far?
It's pretty eye-opening, to be honest. Makes you rethink your approach to life.
Sounds like my kind of book. I'll have to borrow it from you when you're done.
Absolutely. So, what do you do for fun when you're not at the park?
I'm into photography, actually. I love capturing moments and telling stories through pictures.
That's so cool. Do you have any favorite subjects to photograph?
I'm drawn to nature mostly. There's something magical about capturing the beauty of the outdoors.
I totally agree. Nature has a way of soothing the soul, doesn't it?
Definitely. Speaking of which, have you been on any outdoor adventures lately?
Not recently, unfortunately. Been too caught up with work. But I'm hoping to plan a hiking trip soon.
Count me in if you need a hiking buddy. I'm always up for an adventure.
That would be awesome. I'll keep you posted. Oh, look, there's a food truck over there. Do you want to grab a snack?
Sure, why not? I could use a little pick-me-up.
So, what's your go-to snack at the park?
I'm a sucker for ice cream, to be honest. It's my guilty pleasure.
Nothing wrong with treating yourself every once in a while. I'm more of a popcorn person myself.
Can't go wrong with popcorn. Classic choice.
Agreed. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. It's been nice getting to know you.
Likewise, Sarah. We should do this again sometime.
Definitely. Until next time.
Hi there. Mind if I join you?
Oh, hey. Not at all. Please, have a seat.
Thanks. So, how's your day been so far?
It's been all right. Just the usual, work and stuff. How about you?
Can't complain. Been keeping busy with projects. By the way, have you tried their new caramel latte?
Not yet. Is it any good?
It's delicious. You should definitely give it a try.
I might just do that. So, what have you been up to lately apart from work?
Well, I've been trying to get back into reading. Started this new book last week.
Oh, what book is it?
It's called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Have you read it?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's a novel about a young shepherd who goes on a journey to find his treasure and discovers the true meaning of life along the way.
Sounds intriguing. I'll add it to my reading list.
Definitely worth a read. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really. Probably just catching up on chores and maybe meeting up with some friends for dinner. What about you?
Thinking of going for a hike if the weather holds up. It's been ages since I've been out in nature.
That sounds like fun. I love hiking, too. Let me know if you need a hiking buddy.
Will do. It's always more enjoyable with good company.
Absolutely. Oh, speaking of company, did you hear about Sarah's new job?
No, I haven't. What's she up to now?
She landed a position at a marketing agency downtown. She's super excited about it.
That's fantastic news. I'll have to shoot her a congratulatory message later.
I'm sure she'd appreciate that. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming project at work?
Honestly, I'm a bit nervous about it. It seems like a big undertaking, but I'm also excited to tackle the challenge.
You'll do great, John. You always do. Plus, you've got a talented team backing you up.
Thanks, Emily. I needed to hear that. Sometimes self-doubt creeps in, you know?
Totally understand. But remember, you're capable of more than you think.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. Hey, do you want to split a slice of cake?
Sure, why not? Life's too short to say no to cake.